Check, 1 2, check 1 2. What's up, YouTube? So today I'm gonna teach you how I made 13% on Bank of America. Um, 13%. So contracts, they were 30 piece. They actually went to 35, but I got out with 34. You know how Robin Hood is. Anyways, let's get right into it. So this is SPY. I base my trades off of SPY because if SPY is bullish, then that's gonna help my stock be bullish, and if SPY is bearish, it's gonna help my stock be bearish, and it can obviously be the opposite that day. So it's good not to be biased on if your stock's gonna go up or down that day, but it's good to have a direction of where it's going already. But let me show you how I made that 13%. So I was missing a lot of plays in the morning, as you could tell. This circle right here is my entry. Um, so I was watching SPY and I was like missing a bunch of trades, and I'm like, dang it, man! Like I was kind of getting in like a revenge trading mode. Even though I didn't lose money, I still wanted to be in a play, you know, because I'm like I'm missing all these plays, but I stayed patiently. Um, Let me explain my levels real quick. So this white line is a gap fill. These blue lines are just levels, like levels from previous days. And this yellow is support, and obviously you see another gap fill. So like we're trading between these two gap fills right here. And also with SPY, as you can tell, these white gap fill, support, and resistance. Um, so if you don't know how to make resistance, as you could just choose a point to where it rejects pretty hard and comes like back up and rejects it again. As you can tell, rejected, boom, and then obviously it bounce. So all my lines are blue. They're all blue before market open, but I determine which is resistance and which is support right before market opens. Like I turn them red and yellow. So yeah, that's what I saw. Sorry for a bunch of lines and all these indicators. You don't. I really try to just pay attention to price action, and when I see it, I enter off a pattern. So I'm going to show you that pattern that I saw in Bank of America. So noticing I was missing a bunch of plays, I wanted to stay patient. I was staying. Let me get rid of these indicators for you guys because honestly, indicators are not. They're helpful, but if you're still trying to get used to the market, you shouldn't be using indicators until first you learn price action or patterns. So let me show you my other chart. It's I have two charts. One chart with only the VWAP and obviously a volume profile. The volume profile just shows you like volume coming in, so, and it gets larger. So I have that on, but I'm just gonna keep it off right now. But so this is SPY chart, and this is Bank of America. Um, okay, this is what I noticed. I was sitting back, relaxing, waiting for a play to come to me. What I saw is that Bank of America pulled that open, and that it bounced up, came back down, bounced up again. So me, I'm looking at these two wicks right here, and they're literally on the same line. So to me, this is a 5 minute. So this to me, this is a double bottom, okay? But I'm like, I kind of missed that move up. Like, where do I enter? If I once I saw the double bottom, I should have entered, right? But I don't. Like, I'm still waiting for a play. But what I noticed is that it broke this downtrend right here, and also like after the double bottom, it made this bull flag, and then it broke the bull flag. So my entry was knowing that Bank of America has a double bottom and that it broke bull flag. It broke a bull flag after it pulling right at open. So the trend is obviously up, okay? And what I base my trades off of SPY. So noticing that, and also I noticed that, so this play took in like an hour and a half to entry from market open to where I entered. I noticed that, look at same time right here. Let's see, 11:05. We go to 11:05 down here. I'm looking at this time zone right here. 11:05 is where I was entering. So what I saw during this play was that SPY had opened, it hit this level, rejected it, came back up, hit resistance, came back down to this level that I was rejecting at open. It bounced off of it. So to me, that is SPY turning a level of resistance into a support. So that's in the back of my mind. And also the double bottom plus a bull flag break. So, I'm taking calls and it's above VWAP and it was above VWAP. So I'm taking calls for a quick scalp. And that's exactly where I entered was perfect. Like it went straight up, paid me 13%. Pretty simple. Like I wasn't surprised. I was just like, okay, I mean, like that's just how the market works, Don't fight the trend and stuff. So if you guys have any questions, just feel free to ask me on what. But all I'm trying to teach you is learn to see a pattern. Don't find it. Just let it come out. Let it come to you. So and then enter. Make sure you know where your stop loss was. My stop loss was below this break right here. If it came like below right here, I would have cut it. But obviously hold it. If your trade's green, let it run. So yeah, that's how I made 13%. Just wait for confirmation, wait for a pattern, be patient. Don't rush into anything. The market's open tomorrow. But yep, that's all I want to talk to you guys about. And also, if you guys have any questions about my indicators, well, let me show you my indicator chart, what it looked like. Um, as you can tell right here, it was overbought, which is good because people are buying the stock, but it has to stay overbought on the stochastic in order for it to stay up. So if this is overbought and it's up here, you don't buy calls because that's super chasey. Same way with puts. Like if you're buying puts and it's already oversold, you don't take that because it's already chasing. But during this trade, I wasn't paying attention to these at all. I wasn't really paying attention to these. I was only paying attention to the pattern that I saw on my chart that really don't even only has a VWAP in levels. That's about it. Just yeah. But hopefully that can help you guys make some money. I'm trying to make this simple, but this is like my first video and I'm trying to like get everything out. Hopefully I can cut this video up just to make it more simple for you guys. But yeah, double bottom, bull flag break, SPY turn support to resistance, and take calls. That's about it. No other indicators, no option flow, no nothing. Also, you got to take into fact that SPY was on a downtrend right here, and it broke this downtrend. And as soon as it broke that downtrend, it gave this spike right here. So to me, I'm looking for a pullback since SPY dropped super crazy. So me thinking that the market's gonna be green today was cherry. Like, and it was green all day. It was green. And Bank of America, I sold, on a momentum candle. That's what I usually do. Sell on a momentum candle because everyone else is boom, sold it, good spot, came back down, came back up, got choppy, whatever. But yeah. Hopefully that helped you guys. Just let me know if you guys have any questions about this play. I'll answer you. Let's make some money. Let's get it. Y'all have a good weekend. If y'all seen this, I don't even know if anyone would see this video or not. But yeah, patterns are it, man. Market moves in patterns. You just gotta recognize it. Play the pattern with no emotions. Um, yeah. And also, if you have questions about my indicators, I use MACD, Stochastic, 1348, 1348, 200 EMAs. They're really good. You just got to know how to use them. Maybe in like a later another video, I'll show you how to use them and show you how to identify that they're valid during the trade. But you guys have a good one. KR out, baby. Hopefully y'all make some money. See y'all later, man.